Good day everyone, I am Kimberly Mateo, and for this video, we will be tackling how to solve assignment problems. So I will be solving this problem available on the internet done by the University of Texas at Dallas. So the situation is that a company has 4 machines available for assignment to 4 tasks. Any machine can be assigned to any task, and each task requires processing by one machine. The time required to set up each machine for the processing of each task is given in the table below. We will be solving this minimization problem using the Hungarian method. The first step is to subtract the smallest number in each row of the original cost table from every number in that row. So we'll be subtracting the smallest row for machine 1, which is 4, to all the other numbers in that row. And then we will repeat the same step for all the other rows. For machine 2, we will be subtracting 1 to all the other numbers. Then for machine 3, we will be subtracting 2 from all the other numbers in that row. We will be doing the same thing for machine 4. So now using these new values, we will be making a table number 2. For this table, we will also be subtracting the smallest number, but instead of rows, we will be doing it per column. As you can see, the smallest number in the column task 1, task 2, and task 3 is 0. So when we subtract that from every other number in that column, the value will remain the same. For the column task 4, since 2 is the smallest number, we will be subtracting this from every other number in that column. The next step is to draw the minimum number of horizontal and vertical lines to cover all the zeros. Then after that, let us count the number of vertical and horizontal lines drawn. If this is equal the number of rows or columns, then the opportunity cost table is finished, but in this case, it is not, since the vertical lines is only 3 and the number of rows or columns is 4. So we will be revising the current opportunity cost table. To revise the table, we will be subtracting the smallest number not covered by any line. So this is 1 from every other numbers that are not covered by any line as well. Then after this same number will be added to any numbers lying at the intersection of the horizontal and vertical lines. Now that we have done all the revisions, we will now have table number 3. We will be repeating this step on testing the table. So we'll be drawing all the minimum possible vertical and horizontal lines to cover the zeros. Now let us count the number of vertical and horizontal lines. Since number 4 is equal to the number of rows and columns, we now have found our optimal table. So the first step in making the final allocation is finding a row or column with only one zero cell. So we will be focusing on finding a row with only one zero cell, which is machine 3 or machine 4. I will be choosing machine 4. So the 0 in machine 4 is in charge of task 1. So this is the assignment of machine 4. After this, eliminate the row and column from the table. So now we will be repeating the same steps in the row of machine 3. So machine 3 will be in charge of task 3, and then we will eliminate that row and column. Then we will be repeating the same thing for machine 2 and machine 1 to make the final allocation. So the final answer in our assignment problem is that machine 1 will be in charge of task 2, machine 2 will be in charge of task 4, machine 3 for task 3, and then machine 4 will be in charge for task 1. Thank you for listening. I hope you have learned how to do assignment problem using the Hungarian method.